Hi everyone, I'm in Hakone and close to Lake Kashi. This is basically Motohakone port, the jetty, where you can take a cruise boat, a pirate cruise boat to the Togendai station, where you can also take a ropeway from there. And as you can see, we are leaving the Hakone port, the Motohakone port. It's a very small town here. You can see the Torii gates, one over there, and then finally, as I continue to turn the camera, you see the main Torii gate at Lake Kashi, and from there you can go up to the shrine.
Chris wanted first class tickets, so here he is in the first class. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, that's the first class.
Getting close to the Togendai station, and as you can see, there's another pirate ship ready to take you across to the other side of Lake Kashi. From the Togendai station, we can take the ropeway straight up the hill, and from there you can see the boiling valley.